Hey y'all, real quick, I haven't even got out of my car yet. I decided to do this video from another Dollar Tree haul. So we gonna get started right now. I found these will go good with little beauty trays or maybe rolling trays, because they could be little ashtrays or whatever you see fit. And you get 4 of them for $4. Okay. And since I got the Cricut Joy, let me tell y'all, I done found some vinyl. I already knew about the transfer tape, but I had heard they was gonna start doing vinyl, and they did. Let me show y'all this, right? Only thing, these are removable vinyl paper. It's this is a blue. It's a blue, and it's a long one. Like, it's real long. You cut it out as you want. I got blue. I got white, of course. I got another black. I'm not out of the ones I got, but I just like, let me stock up.
Like, put this in, go see. I'll go see. Put
them in the bag. Then I got a red, y'all. But I had saw on another video. Here, see ya. I had saw on another video that they have permanent vinyl. So maybe right now we just got the removable vinyl. But I'm thinking, can I turn removable vinyl into... Okay, y'all, my bad. Somebody called me and it knocked my video out. But I was wondering if I could turn temporary vinyl or removable vinyl into permanent vinyl. And also, I got some more of that transfer tape. Can't have too much transfer tape. So I think I got 2 of those today. But I am going to be looking out for the removable vinyl and to see how I can make it into permanent. So yeah, I also got, where did it go? Oh, they told me about the some clear transparent paper. It's like contact paper. This is like transfer paper too. So, and it's a lot. You just don't want to run out of stuff when you know you need it. So, now I have a scrubber to scrub my vinyl on to my transfer tape, but I didn't get, because I didn't have the Cricut Joy yet. So usually it'd be one of these in there. This is a scraper, like a spatula thing. It's a craft spatula, and that's what it look like. And then this here, they call it a craft picker. Girl, look, this is for this when you weeding out your vinyl with the little pick thing right there. But I have I showed y'all last time, I have 2 little pick things, and it's been helping me good. But this with the hook on it will help tremendously. It says easily removes tiny cuts, separate vinyl and iron-on cuts from the liner. So I got that. I got these. I need to keep my brushes. It's only 5 in here, but that's still good. Now, this what got me, y'all. I just learned what a cut mat was when I got my Cricut Joy. Tell me why they got them at the Dollar Tree. This is the size of my Cricut Joy one. And I did cut it, and I just got it like, a week ago probably. But
This is real deal, y'all. $1. Because you're going to pay double digits at the craft store. Then I messed around and put 2 of these in my buggy. I don't know how I did that. Just little stuff like this. I put like, I already have one for my A and B or my resin and my hardener. But this will be for my polyacrylic. Because your polyacrylic, I bought a bigger one and I'm going to put, I don't want to have that big tub can on my desk. So I just put some polyacrylic in here. Just one of them. I mean, they all purpose, so you really can use them for whatever. But I messed around and got 2 of them. Okay, and these here are display easel frame things. It's look like 2 sizes. Cause like when I display my rolling trays or my broody trays, this will be good to display them with. $1. And then this here is a brush cleaning pot. Let me show you how it works. Okay, at the top, Crafter Square is like going in at the Dollar Tree. You just open it up like this. And look like this. You put your water or whatever in there. And then you see the little grooves. I guess you just lean your cause I ain't gonna be wasting them brushes like that. I don't think I need to be doing that. I gotta take care of my brushes. And you just lay it down in there. Pour it out, rinse it out. Probably clean. They say with soap and water, Dawn is a doozy, so I say I'm gonna use some Dawn. Y'all know I look so tired, but I had to, before I even go in the house, okay? I had to share these products with y'all because the Dollar Tree is coming up. Like, I can't wait to see when they start doing the permanent vinyl. I'm gonna be there. You can't have too much vinyl because as soon as you without vinyl, somebody gonna hit you with a project that then you're gonna have to be going out looking for some vinyl and this and that, the third, but you'll have it already. So I seen online this lady, she found some permanent vinyl. She found it in a yellow, a pretty bee color yellow. It was really pretty. I'm like, I am down. But I'm all, you can also go on www.dollartree.com and you can order your stuff in bulk. Like if you want whatever. Because sometimes they don't have it in the store. Some of these stores, like this was my local store I happened to go into today. They be having their stuff like thrown all over, or you gotta look for stuff. But it's like other stores be very organized and you can find everything, and you'll be surprised what you find. Like these, you get 4. Why is he barking? Oh, you get 4 of these. You can't beat that for $1. Shut up, Ghost. Ghost, shut your mouth. Leave folks alone. I have walked into some newer Dollar Trees, or they done improved them. And their Crafter's Corner. That Crafter's Corner be on hit. Like, they be having so much stuff, new stuff. What is this? Oh, they be having new stuff. So I came out of there with 2 bags. When I was supposed to go in there to get just a little thing for my weeder. Man, please. I done seen so much new stuff. And I had to grab it and bring it home. Can't tell my daughter because you got enough stuff, Ma. You can never have enough vinyl, I don't believe. I just want to be prepared and have all my stuff, my ducks in a row, and have all my stuff. I need a nap, y'all. I know y'all see my ass. I am tired, and once I get up, I need to start on another project. You are never done with a project because you always find something to do. You always find something that you could do or improve. So I got more trays to do and finish, and it's like, look, I got pretty trays I need to do, you know. It's crazy. So I'm tired. I woke up, had my cup of coffee, and I just didn't go back to bed. I was doing some Instacart. So I just came back from doing that. But I'm about to go in and lay it down because I am exhausted. I'm not even finna put this up. I'm just finna put my little bags in my little lab, and I'm gonna go from there. But I hope you all enjoyed my haul, and I hope you all take advantage of the new Crafters Corner at the Dollar Tree and get y'all good stuff and stop paying all that money when y'all can pay $1. So yeah, I hope y'all be blessed, be happy, and all that good stuff there, and y'all prosper. And that's all for this video, and I hope to see y'all in the next video. Bye.